You're watching today's Daily Market Comment by Ref Boyajian. I'm Christina Marucos. Thank you for joining us at xm.com. Global equity markets got off to a positive start on Wednesday, resuming a patchy rebound from the lows of the banking turmoil that has so far been less than convincing. Stocks on Wall Street ended lower on Tuesday, despite more calm being restored to the markets. There can be no doubt that even as traders start to put the past month's events behind them, they remain vigilant about what else could be lurking around the corner, as there is still some unease about the robustness of America's regional banks and Europe's banking giants. European stocks have opened sharply in positive territory today, boosted mainly by a strong performance in Asia. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index led the gains in Asia after shares in Alibaba surged on the announcement that the company will be split into 6 business units, with some of them likely to seek IPOs. U.S. E-mini futures point to a higher open on Wall Street today, but there is a sense that markets are overall lacking direction. With a quarter end looming and the quarter one earnings season starting in 2 weeks' time, investors might be reluctant to take this recovery much further. A surprise uptick in the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index on Tuesday might have countered Wall Street's tepid advances, although investors remain split about whether or not the Fed will raise rates again at its next meeting. Rising confidence that authorities have done enough to stem a wider systemic crisis in the banking sector sparked the sell-off in the safe haven Japanese yen on Wednesday. The yen is sliding against all its major peers, particularly against the US dollar. The dollar is testing the 132 yen level today and appears to be regaining some footing against other currencies as well. The second worst performer after the yen is the Australian dollar, which came under pressure from domestic CPI data. Inflation in Australia moderated further in February, leaving investors with little doubt that the Reserve Bank of Australia will keep rates on hold when it meets next week. In commodities, oil prices are heading higher for a third consecutive day amid the improving optimism, while a dispute in Iraq between the Kurdistan regional government and Baghdad over crude exports via a Turkish pipeline is also boosting oil futures today. Thank you for watching today's Daily Market Comment here at xm.com.